Vivo launches its new compact-size phone under X series in India called Vivo X200 FE, with smart AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo X200 FE features a 6.31-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top, it is protected by reinforced Gorilla Shield glass. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with Immortalis G720MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo X200 FE sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX921 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 150.83 by 71.76 by 7.99 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo X200 FE has been priced in India for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 54,999 Indian rupees, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 59,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in amber yellow, frost blue, and luxe gray color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from July 23rd. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X200 FE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.